Hello friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hello my little friends, how are you all? Thank you for joining us today here. I hope you all are having a great week. Here today we are having a really exciting topic. And you know what? That's a beautiful scenery where a boy is watching his fish in the aquarium. So are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. Meanwhile, we are drawing this very cute and beautiful drawing. Think you know a lot about those fish in the aquarium and fish in the wild? Because there are so many species of fish and their characteristics are so wildly. So let us dig some of the fun facts and let's know about them. So fun fact number 1, an aquarium is a place where fish and other animals can live in the water, are kept by us, that means humans. An aquarium can be small tank, a bowl, a large building with one or more large tanks, kind of this. Fact number 2, fish have been on earth for more than 450 million years ago, whereas mammals have only been on earth for roughly like 200 million years. Fact number 3, there are over 27,000 identified species of fish on earth and an estimated 15,000 fish species have not yet been identified. Wow! Fact number 4, the first public aquarium was opened in London on 1853 and by 1856 New York also had an aquarium. And the Great Barrier Reef Aquarium is the world's largest living reef aquarium with 2.5 million liters of water. It is located in Queenshed, Australia. Fact number 5, the world's tiniest fish is the stout infant, which is about like 0.6 centimeters long only. And the largest fish fossil found to date is from the Lithsictus problematicus, which lived 150 million years ago, and it was found in England in 2003, measured to 22 meters long. And now the last one, fact number 6, goldfish. For the aquarium, the most desirable and most cutest fish is goldfish, right? So the goldfish can live for decades. And the oldest known goldfish, Goldie, died in 2005 at 45 years of age. The second oldest goldfish was Tish, who died at 43 years. So my cute angels, we hope that you enjoyed our interesting fun facts today on the drawing on fish aquarium, and you are already enjoying this fish aquarium drawing. Until we meet next time with an exciting drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.